Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back in with another cryptocurrency video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Spell token, and this is a cryptocurrency that's been doing extremely good. I am very bullish on this cryptocurrency. I will be doing a full price prediction for the next year or so. Next year and a half, 2 years are going to be looking very good for this coin. One of the main reasons is this is the coin behind the MIM stablecoin. Which is known as the Magic Internet Money stablecoin. And this is a stablecoin that's been growing very fast. It is now a multi-chain stablecoin, as you can see, on Ethereum, Binance, Phantom, Avalanche, Arbitrum, and many more in the future. And what's really going to be important here is to actually look at the market cap statistic. It seems like on CoinMarketCap this is not updated, but basically I'll be comparing this to Terra Luna's UST, and I think the next year and a half are going to be extremely bullish for decentralized stablecoin projects. Now we know that there's pressure on coins like USDT that potentially when they might get cracked down on by governments, etc. But coins like UST and MIM are basically impossible to crack down on because they're backed by a basket of very strategically decentralized assets that make it one-to-one to the US dollar. So it's maybe a little bit complicated for some to understand that concept, but basically these coins are probably going to last forever, and people need stable cryptocurrencies that are one-to-one with the US dollar and that are safe and secure for the long term. And there's actually not that many right now that are like that. DAI is starting to lose its position as the top dog in that sense, and it's dropping back in market cap, and it's just not as smartly backed as Terra and MIM. So Terra and MIM are starting to become the front runners, and on top of that, many top exchanges like Binance are starting to list the MIM token and UST as stable coins. Now there's even some talks that these coins could become the main cryptocurrency pairs for future trading, where, for example, you can buy the Spell token on, which is one of my favorite exchanges that I use myself. They have now listed the Spell token, so you can buy that, right? And of course, you have your Spell to USDT prices, where you pay in USDT and you get the Spell token. Now, what we are probably going to see in the future, right, on many cryptocurrency exchanges is Spell to MIM, and which is the stablecoin that I talked about, or Spell to UST instead of USDT. So this is absolutely huge, right? Because as you can see, most of these exchanges, the main pair is USDT, but now as far as stablecoins, UST and even MIM are probably going to start becoming some of the main pairs that we see across exchanges. So this is absolutely huge news for around the next 2 years or so. It's going to take some time to be fully integrated. But by the way, if you do want to purchase the Spell token and invest in it, make sure to check out Binance. Link to them in the description of this video, where they have the Spell token listed. So make sure to make an account there, sign up. If you already have, go ahead and you can get your Spell token there. I highly recommend the exchange. It's my favorite exchange. I'll leave a link to them in the description of this video. Now, we're going to be talking about the more in detail price chart, but just going back to the token, of course this rise is directly correlated to the increase in the usage and market cap of the Magic Internet Money stablecoin. What you're going to see here is the market cap is just around 2 billion as far as this token is concerned, and that is directly in line with the 2 billion that we see here for the Spell token. This is not a coincidence. Of course, this is because the Spell token is what's behind the Magic Internet Money token. It's the governance token and the token that's used to stabilize it. And this is what we're talking about on the website here, Abracadabra Money. That the basic idea is collateral in and then stablecoin out, and that's the Magic Internet Money. So as you can see here, that is sort of the mechanism behind that. And you can also stake the Spell token. Last I checked, it was around 23% APY, which is very good as well, on top of this very nice price growth. So this was a coin that was below a cent earlier in this year, and has had, in just a matter of a few months, 3 months or so, a tremendous rise, right? I put on a high around $3.05. Then we had a big pullback, right, where we went even below a cent, and now we're starting to very quickly come back up, now above 2.5 cents. So this is a coin that I easily expect to be with a market cap of over 10 billion in the next year and a half or so, which would mean, still a 5x from here, which would put us well above 10 cents in price. And long term, there is no limit for this coin as the main stable coin, or at least top two in the future. This is a coin that could easily reach 50, 100, 200 billion in market cap. So there is a lot of potential for this coin. When you think about it like that, this $2 billion market cap is nothing in comparison. And I also want you to take a close look at this compared to Terra, which obviously saw a huge rise in its price. Now, I will say one difference. Spell, is for the MIM token. Terra obviously has its own blockchain, and on top, it's used to stabilize the UST stablecoin. So that is a bit two advantages that it has there. But still, look at this tremendous increase. And, one of the biggest reasons for the increase that it saw is not even its actual usage of its blockchain, which has been used a lot. Don't get me wrong, I love Luna. Probably going to buy some myself, but it's actually been the increase in the usage of its stablecoin, because they burn Luna to steady the price of the stablecoin. And what you're going to see here is, if we go to the market cap of the Terra USD stablecoin, it's absolutely started to skyrocket, going from around 2.8 billion now all the way above $10 billion as of today's prices in market cap. So that is directly correlated as well to the increase that we saw for Terra, which has a little bit of a premium compared to that 10 million because it has its own blockchain. Spell does not. So you'll see it much more closely relate to the actual market cap of the Magic Internet Money token. Maybe a little bit of a premium because, of course, that's the governance behind that, etc. But and of course, you earn rewards as well through staking, so it will always probably have a little bit of a premium, but maybe not as much of a premium as Terra. However, like I said, right, you need to understand how much money will probably be flowing into Magic Internet Money as it gets on more chains, more exchanges, etc. Maybe even becomes one of the main trading pairs in the future. This could easily go to 10, 20, 30, 40 billion in just a matter of 1, 2, 3 years, right? And that's, I mean, we're looking at over, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30x price increases for the Spell token, which is behind that Magic Internet Money token that I just talked about, right? The Spell token has the ticker SPELL, and like I said, you can purchase this token on Binance right now. Link in the description of this video if you're interested in trading or investing in the Spell token. With that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my technical analysis master course and follow me on Twitter for live market updates. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Stay safe and have a great day. I'll see you next time.